my god.
No, it was recording like the first 7 minutes. Then it stopped.
I'm over 10 minutes now.
I'm over an hour.
No, you're not. You're 12 seconds.
No, Ashley told me she fucked this dude, and he humped her twice and then he finished. And he was like 4 inches.
Who?
Ashley. I don't know, I forgot his name. Pew pew.
I'm so going to North Carolina. First of all, I want to chill with that. And yeah.
Excuse me, gotta get a video, excuse me. Excuse me.
Yeah. And I'm gonna try to get some fireworks first of all. I'm gonna set them off in my friend's handwritten backyard. I'm gonna try to go back.
It's gonna be set off in your backyard.
I have.
Boom. If you know what I'm saying.
Yeah. Dude, I have a broken right now. It depends. I want to last with the vet, but if we're broken up,
That almost didn't stop you with the bet the first time.
I'm just saying. I mean, if something happens to me in the vet, you don't know what anything happens. Something happens. I instead of hooking up with Brittany.
She sucks too.
Dude, she doesn't have big tits.
Doesn't matter.
You missed it. You're spilled tea in the kitchen, whatever. You got on the ground, you got all sticky. I yell like, ew, it's sticky.
It's round, it's hard, and it's blue.
I told him, Kara, whatever, to clean it up. We told her to clean up. She's like, why? It ain't mine. I'm like, don't lie, it's yours. Then she's like,
you got it all sticky.
and then we're like, no. And then she's like, oh, she's like, why do I have to clean it up?
Because you made it sticky.
No. And I said, why am I cleaning it up? Because I got excited and you need to clean it up.
It's round, it's hard, and it's blue.
Then Kara stared at me and she's like, ew.
I want to take your hat.
I'm sweating.
It's hot. Ew, it's warm.
Hi, buddy.
Break it.
Should have got a vest.
Sexy. Do I still have a really? I still had an earphone in my ear.
I'm getting a birthday present on Friday, and then when I go to Wisconsin, I'm gonna win her a prize or something.
Okay, cousin.
She knows my next day.
You
She
know,
keeps telling me.
I think it was.
Hey,
You should be like. She should be like. What did you, if she's like, "What did you do for your birthday?" Like, no, it'll pop up in a minute.
What'd you get me? Jack in the Box.
Well, there was a Jack in there.
It's like, oh, there's a Jack in
But
there.
the word Jack is in there.
It's like, oh, Jack's in there. Jack just popped out, alright.
Jack popped out of my box.
That's a present. Jack in the Box. I'm gonna tell her that. She's gonna be like,
Josh, stop crying.
like, what'd you get me? Jack in the Box.
His girlfriend's little sister is 11. 8.
Yeah, I know. Like, since Brandon Lee, she's like, Brandon's cute. No, he's not.
Don't ever say that again.
Have you seen my baby picture? Oh my god.
Yeah, you're a fat baby.
Yeah, but I was
if you
chubby
were-
and had dimples.
If I could go back in time and see you as a baby, I would have rolled you around everywhere.
Dude, I wasn't that big. I was like normal size baby. I was just a little chunky.
I still would have rolled you around everywhere.
You're an ass.
What? Knowing it's you.
I was a baby, you ass.
Okay, but I go back in time knowing you now. We'd both go back in time and push your baby form all over the place.
I would take all the crack out of you, first of all, because you're probably on a bunch of crack as a baby, because I saw your baby pictures.
Mom, were you on crack when you were pregnant with me?
No.
Did you drink?
No.
Did you smoke?
No.
Did you do weed?
No, I didn't.
Did you cocaine? Heroin?
That's what crack is.
Ecstasy?
I
HFS?
didn't even drink coffee or caffeine soda.
Oh, so you didn't eat nothing. That's unhealthy.
No, that's not what I said.
Stop being a whore. You're already a whore enough for the bet.
I had McMuffin.
Nah, that's one of the horrible. She was like all over me today. Like, I'm serious. I was trying to get her off one time. She went back. I'm like, damn.
So now you're calling your girlfriend a whore.
Yeah, she's my whore.
Okay, I'll just tell her you said that.
Don't tell her. She's like, dude, I'm serious. Don't tell her.
I'm really allowed to tell her said that if they're like
I'm only gonna tell her, dude. It's only me that told her that. So I'm her boyfriend.
Well, I told her that.
You
but I
tell
was
her
joking.
that, it makes it worse.
See, I told her that, but I was joking. When I called you one, I meant it. Happy ending! Firework with happy ending! Oh!
You know, it's gone on for like 15 minutes, right?
Hey, Josh. Oh, happy ending!
I'll see a person flying in the air.
Corpse.
Somebody's gonna find some fossils.
Now, don't kill me.
Hey, somebody's gonna find some fossils.
Gotta get that, gotta get that.
Oh yeah, I got OMG by Ocean on there.
That's a good song.
I got that one on iTunes, isn't it?
Dubstep! Remember, Josh? Oh!